welcome to the wonderful world of dogs, where we learn about dogs and everything related to them. Let's start at the beginning, shall we? This is a dog. This is not a dog. These are both dogs. This dog thought it saw a friend, but was mistaken. This dog knows one of your secrets. As you can see here, these two dogs are 69ing. They love each other. I hope it's a Christian marriage. Alrighty then. Oh, that's so stupid. Look at it. Look at his little face. His tiny little arms. They used to be wolves. Look at his little face. Such a silly puppy. Alright, moving on. The Rhodesian Ridgeback, invented in 1871. A lot of people know that about the Rhodesian Ridgeback. And here we have the Whippet. Ew, gross! Gross! Look at, no! Gross, that's obscene. Put your dick away, Whippet. Good God, Whippet. And here we have the bitch on fries. Sounds like my ex-wife at Burger King. Because she's fat. I miss her so much. Jessica! Why, Jessica? This is the Beagle. You can tell a lot about this dog from its name. It wants to be an eagle. It's trying to fly here and never will. The fuck is that? What is that? Who let you in here? This is a dog show. This is a dog show. I don't know what kind of dog that is. Well, I hope you've learned some things about dogs that maybe you didn't know before, or maybe you have your own questions about dogs now, and feel free to research on your own. Buy as many dogs as you can. I think that's the best way to learn. And that'll about do it for us here. Thank you for joining us, and drive safe and everything. Tip your waitstaff. They're here for you. And vote in your local elections. It's just as important as the national ones, maybe more. I'm so alone.